Okay, hi. So this is a video for you, all of you who was like me before, who was having a very hard time with the Barlast, Ikea Barlast lampshade. Okay, this is obviously already relaxed, but when it comes, it was like this. So we want to what we need is a rubber band and two clips like this. So what you want to do at first is to roll it the other way around, right? And you have to be a little bit more patient with this. So just put a rubber band and let it sit there for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, do something else, and then come back again. Then when you come back, it's already a little bit more relaxed. Okay, so since mine is already relaxed, let's just take it out. Okay, once it's already relaxed like this, how to actually put this together. Okay, this is how you put this together. Put it like this. Sorry. Okay. Take one clip it there. Okay, and then the other also, you take another clip, you clip it there. Okay, and then you start threading the one inside. So push one. So this one is going this way, this one is going this way, and this one is going that way. Okay, so this one you have to push it to the other one, and this one to the other one. Okay, and we go on until everything is okay, like that. So it has to be until the end, and then you check it again one more time. So 1 2 1 2 has to be like this. 1 2 1 2 1 2, right? After that, just take this off, and there you go. No stress. Okay, no stress.